Hi, I'm Reverend Sharon Renae, and welcome to today's daily meditation for peace. And today's topic is peace in the family, and this is part of our Relational Peace meditation series. So get ready, get to a quiet space, and let's get started. All right, let's start by closing your eyes. Let's take a deep breath in. And on the exhale, release the tension. Let it go. Allow your body to soften. Shake your shoulders out, your arms, your hands. Roll your head and your neck, releasing it. Now let's take a deep breath in, tapping into soul center, to the light that resides there. And on the exhale, allow that light to flow through every cell and fiber of your being and every negative thought within your mind, bringing light into the darkness as you exhale, and exhaling that light out into the world. And let's take a deep breath in, tapping to that light, connecting to the love, feeling that love. And on the exhale, merging that love and that light through your body and out into the world. And one more deep breath in, tapping into the light, to the love, to the stillness, the calmness, the peace that unconditional love provides. And on the exhale, allow that to flow through your body and your mind, bringing healing within and exhaling it out into the world. You may be carrying emotional weight, concerns for loved ones, old patterns, unspoken words. But right now, give yourself permission to pause. Just for this moment, let it all be still. Breathe in grace. Breathe out peace. Family is sacred, but it can also be complex. It holds both deep love and deep learning. Where there is friction, there can also be healing. Where there is silence, there can also be peace. You are not responsible for everyone's path, but you can be a vessel of peace within it. Send blessings now to your loved ones as they come to your mind, near or far, living or past. See them surrounded by light, held in divine care, whole, safe, and loved. And affirm, I send peace to my family. I choose compassion and grace. And again, I send peace to my family. I choose compassion and grace. Now imagine your home bathed in golden light. This light fills each room, soothing, calming, healing. You see your loved ones there, resting in peace. There is no conflict, no worry, just warmth. Let this light flow through you too, restoring balance within. And if anything triggers you, say, I send peace to my family. I choose compassion and grace, allowing the frustration to roll away. See them at peace. Feel the peace within your home. Feel the peace within your mind and your body. Tapping into the unconditional love that all is well. And love is healing. May peace move through your family like a quiet river, gently softening the hearts, healing old wounds, and strengthening your bonds. You are a channel of compassion and love. And say in your mind, there is love and peace within my family. Love and healing prevails. And take a deep breath in and let out the feeling of love and peace, letting it wash over you. Gently feel your fingers and toes as you bring yourself back to the present and in divine wholeness, knowing love is the answer. May peace move through your family like a quiet river. Flowing with love. Your bond strengthened. Communication clear. And love prevails. Take in a deep breath in, tap into the peace, tap into the love, and exhale. And so it is. Amen and amen.
May peace settle gently within your home and your heart today. Thank you for joining us for Peace in the Family, part of our Relational Peace series, a soft reminder that love, grace, and harmony begin within. As you step back into your day, may your words be kind, your presence be calm, and peace be the thread that weaves your family close. For more meditations and spiritual support, visit spirituallycentered.org. Until next time, breathe with love and let peace begin with you. Copyright 2025. Reverend Sharon Renae. Produced by Rick Lowe.